Hello everybody, my name is Taylor Green. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
Sorry, I was trying not to drop my mouse. My name is Rhys and the other audiologist here at Audiology Associates. Two patients in this compilation video, plugs and peels on this one. So first patient is mine, very kind of deep, soft, squishy plugs in this one. So just very kind of well oiled, let's put it that way, plugs on this one. Standard size ulnar tube in here.
Yeah, the one that tends to block your tube up all the time.
Massively so with these ones, yeah, because it's great in a way because the wax is lovely and soft.
Yeah.
But in another way, it just little bits break off and it gets really squishy inside the tube. Trying to kind of I'm almost turning it end over end there to get that plug out. Ooh,
what's a good one?
I was like, that was actually a lot longer than I thought it was going to be as well.
Oh, there's a bit left.
Oh, we've got a deep section there, so nice and gentle now with this one. You can see actually a little bit of blurring to the camera, and that's where the oil's been put in.
Yeah.
But came away really nice. I don't know, your canal's actually quite, or the entrance anyway, looks quite narrow, doesn't it? Oh, eardrum looks nice. As you can see, I'm eyeing something up in there.
A little bit at the bottom, I can imagine it.
It's just winking at me in the corner. So it's going to try and... Oh, no. We've ended up with a huge skin peel instead. Oh, it took that piece off, though.
This is where it's a bit of a nightmare, isn't it? There we are. That's actually torn away quite nicely.
That was going to peel all the way down to the boots on that one, but it didn't. But eardrum looks really healthy in there, in fairness.
Nice and shiny.
Very similar on this side. You can see the big old plug, a little bit of a gap at the top.
Just about peak of the eardrum above it then, so...
Just that, the pars flaccida.
Pars flaccida.
And then you've got this, that's the name for the top bit of the eardrum, by the way. But because we've got this gap at the top here, it means that we can lift this plug normally. But what we've got here is, because it's so soft and squishy, you don't really lift the plug. You can just kind of move the front end of the wax around, do you? It doesn't really go anywhere. So it's coming away really well.
I was going to say, the way that was stretching then at the start, I thought, they're a bit of a nightmare, those ones, because this one's coming away really easy, but sometimes it just does that the whole length, and you just taking little tiny bits away, but that's come out really nicely.
That is a chunky old plug again there, isn't it? And you could see when it came away, this material taken away on this left-hand side here, that was almost where the oil's got behind the plug, and it almost turns it into almost like a bit of a paintbrush. You kind of smear this sort of oil, this wax-coloured oil then at the back end, don't you?
Nice and healthy again though, looking good.
I think I'm just tidying up that very outside edge. Got a bit blurry, so we had a little bit of oil there.
Yeah. Oh,
that's dramatic, isn't it? Look at the shadow effect on that,
That's the light shine at the back of that then. Oh gosh, this is my patient here now. As you can see, the video's a little bit longer on this one.
that is a lot of it's like dead skin.
Yeah, there's no real kind of blockage of wax in this one. So this is more just like a layer of dead skin that's just struggled to migrate out to the ear canal. So it's just kind of shed itself and have just kind of stayed where it is.
Oh, and that's going all the way front to back, isn't it? Look at that. Yeah. Love a peel.
We do love a peel when they come away nicely.
When they're easy to do.
When they're easy to do, yeah. But you can see it's quite dry. It's quite a dry skin, this one. Some patients do, we do say, use plenty of oil to come in. Some people don't like using it. Some patients, just can't. Then they just... it's a bit of a tricky one with skin, especially. It's
a lot of the time you're advised to use olive oil when you have the blockage, and it's great at softening the oil, softening the wax. But what you'll find is to do that, the wax absorbs the oil, and then it expands slightly. So if you had a small gap where you were still getting the sound through, it would block it up. So the rule of thumb is it will probably sound worse before it gets better. So if you're putting the oil in, still carry on even though you're feeling a little bit blocked up, because it will improve again as it kind of breaks out the surface of the wax down.
And that's the main reason why people don't like using it, is just because the hearing kind of gets worse as you start using it. Even with some patients that have a bit of discomfort, that can sometimes put people off as well. But a lot of the time, with the discomfort, the discomfort actually eases a little bit with the oil, because it softens it. It's usually when the wax is quite hard and almost spiky in a way is when that's when you normally get the issue. So going in with a set of forceps here now, just to try and gently grab onto this top piece. I want to see if sometimes it starts peeling down the eardrum. Just
I can't tell there. Oh no, I don't think it broke away. Oh, I don't know. You've still got that deeper section there though.
Just trying to get the top of the jaws just above that tiny little gap that's there. If I can get a good enough grip, I'm hoping that's going to start bringing the sides down as well.
That's promising.
You can see on the right hand side there, it's starting to peel that side piece away as well. There we are. You can start to see the eardrum coming through.
Nice. Guys, a good opportunity to say if you are enjoying the video as much as me and Taylor are voicing this over, don't forget to like, heart, share, follow and subscribe for me. If you really like it, become a member. You get to see even more videos every single week as well.
Good ones like this.
Good ones like this one. I love a skin peel.
No, that's not too bad.
That's still, well, they're still quite chunky pieces though, aren't they? Do you know what I mean? Even though it's tearing a little bit, but it's that lovely...
It's that angle.
Always difficult to get into this corner.
I mean, the only way of getting the right angle there, I can't really turn my hand in that direction because we basically endoscope, and we basically have a phone on the end of the endoscope, so that's basically in the way of us getting that right angle. So the only way of doing that would be to kind of go the opposite way, which would be really uncomfortable because we're pretty much going upside down.
Yeah.
So I'm just trying to peel this little bit away now.
Oh, is it going to lift?
Got the fine end on here just to try and hold and get a better grip, because that's going to start bunching that skin into the suction tube. That's exactly what I wanted to do there. You can see that's all peeling nicely down the ear canal now.
It's when you get to see that fresher, that fresher skin underneath that lovely peachy colour skin, rather than this sort of yellowy, it's kind of orangey yellow colour skin. You know there's something sitting on the surface of it.
So we're not too, well, it looks like we're not too far from the end, because we've just got this little bit now that's what I was hoping at the time. I mean, I could have popped a little bit of oil in just to try and help with that peeling, but on the other side of things, it sometimes makes it a little bit more tricky, because well, like what you saw in Rhys's video, sometimes it kind of gets on the camera and you're having to go in and out. And
I really want this to peel. This would be super satisfying if that whole section peeled up the front of the eardrum there, wouldn't it?
Yeah. So
look at
just
that go.
working my way slowly around the outer side, the outer edges now, just to try and loosen all this up. That's a bit of oil that's gone in there now, I think.
Said so. It's awkward, isn't it? Because you're right on that brow, just as the isthmus area, where you're just going to drop back down then to the eardrum.
I haven't put much in. I put a little squirt in, which is why you can't see it. It's not like drowned full of oil. I popped a little bit in just to try and get underneath that peel.
It's hard with a fine end. You know, you need to use the fine end because it's so thin.
Yeah.
But you really want that bigger Zollner tube suction to draw it all in, don't you? Yeah.
There we are. Starting to come away from the left-hand side here now.
Oh, I always so want this to peel. Look at that. That is a peel. That's right across the eardrums. Well, look at that go.
Yeah. Trying to hold that bunch, trying to hold that grip. So you will sometimes find with patients with this type of skin where it struggles to migrate, you can still, even though it's not a massive amount, you can still get a bit of a hearing loss with it. So sometimes hearing may feel a little bit muffled. Sometimes it can be a little bit irritable. It can be a bit itchy. So those are usually some of the symptoms you'll get with this type of skin.
I was trying to say, I didn't want to interrupt you, but look at that piece at the
top there, yeah.
That's such a thin, it's like paper thin layer of skin that's just peeling all the surface, that very, very almost top skin cell layer that's just peeling down.
It's like tracing paper. There we are. Sometimes you get a little grip on those and it'll just draw down the ear canal.
Now this is it. There's a nice solid grip on this upright section, and the whole thing wants to peel. That's what you want to see. Oh, it's doing it, Taylor. It's doing it.
Come on. Gentle reposition.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, it's got that annoying bit in the middle.
Yeah. That oil is going to really help in this now with this peel.
Look at it peel on the right side. Look at that peel all the way down there. Nice. Look at that. Look at that. Now that's a top class peel, that one, Taylor Green. Top class.
It's not my first rodeo. Yeah, it's looking good there, nice and nice. So we managed to clear that dead skin away. You know, patient would have felt instant relief with that skin coming away from the eardrum there. But yeah, any symptoms yourself? Give us a ring. Give us.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
Yeah, and don't forget, guys, like you said, there is something called a link tree in the description on all the social media channels. If you want to book yourself an appointment, check out that link tree. You can get an appointment, you book online with myself or the lovely Miss Taylor Green, or Katie as well. And as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. Smash that like button for me, guys, and follow as well if you don't mind. But until next time, have I done this already?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, sorry. Until next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.